Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In this video, I will be setting up my bullet journal spreads for the month of September, and I haven't done these in quite some time because I have been really busy lately. So the spreads for this month are going to be very simple and nothing complicated at all. I decided to go with a retro cafe kind of theme with a junk journal style, and everything that I will be using for the setup will be listed in the description, so don't forget to check that out if you are interested in any of the journal supplies that I will be using in this video. So let's get started with the cover page. I just chose some stickers that go with my retro cafe theme, and I'm trying different arrangements until I'm happy with one. I have really been enjoying junk journaling a lot in my bullet journal this year because it means that I don't have to plan out each spread and I can enjoy the process by trying out different things while setting up each spread. I'm also including my monthly on this page because I don't have a lot going on in September, and I thought a one-page monthly would be perfect for this month. I'm using my Pentel brush pen for the titles, and I recently got this brush pen, so I still have to get the hang of it because the tip of this is a lot softer than what I normally use, which is the Tombow brush pen. And then I'm just filling up all of the empty spaces with more stickers and quotes to finish my cover and monthly page. Most of the stickers that I'm using is from a sticker pack called Memorable from Stationery Pal, and it came with all these retro cafe style and food stickers that fit perfectly with the theme that I chose. For the next page, we have my trackers. I always stick to a mood tracker, expense tracker, and a few habit trackers because these are the ones that work best for me, and if I add any more, I just end up not filling them in at all. So for this month, I went with little popsicles for each day of September, and I plan to fill them in with a color according to my mood that day, and also maybe a little smiley face according to my mood. I'm not sure about that, but I always love making mood trackers like these because it makes me want to fill them out every day. Next, I make a simple table for my expenses and some habit trackers. After that, I just select more stickers that go with the theme and fill out all the empty spaces of the spread. Also, I loved using this holographic washi tape throughout my spreads, and I think they go perfectly with my retro theme. Next, we have my weekly spreads, and I think this year Dutch doors have been my go-to because it's just so easy to set up, especially when I don't have time to set up my spreads properly. And I'm using the holographic washi tape to kind of outline the Dutch doors. I also added a to-do list to this page to keep track of all the things that I need to do this month, and the rest is just more stickers and quotes here and there to fill out the rest of the spread. The thing I like most about making Dutch doors is that I just get so much done in just 2 spreads. Like for example here, I'm done with setting up more than half a month in just these 2 spreads because of the Dutch doors, and it's just so easy to keep track of everything because everything is just in one single spread. Again, if you've seen my old bullet journal videos, you know that I like to set up for the whole month at once so that I don't have to set up the weekly spreads each week because I just don't have the time to do that. So I'm doing one more weekly page to complete the whole month. For this, I'm just making boxes for each day of the week, and I'm leaving some spaces here and there for my stickers and quotes, and that's basically it for all of my weekly spreads. I also made a brain dump page and highlights page after this, but it got quite dark so I couldn't film all of it. But here is the final flip through of my September setup. I hope you guys like the simple but practical spreads for this month along with the retro aesthetic theme. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Bye!